Hey guys, what's up? Malin here with Speed Industry. We recently went down to visit our friends down in Cusco in Huntington Beach. We met up with Kenji there, and he was explaining some of the new products that are available for the A90 Mark V Supra. And he explained all the new products that they're releasing, how Cusco was able to get a car earlier in the stages to do development work. So today we're going to do an install on the front power brace that they've already have in stock. We already have our first shipment in. We have all the Cusco stuff available on our Speed Industry website under the Supra category. You'll be able to find this product there, and we'll also put the link down below. So we're going to go over the install with you. Patrick's going to take care of that, and we'll go from there.
So to install this, you want to go ahead and just get it lined up to understand where you're at. So I would assemble this off the car, go ahead and take the long Allen with one washer on each side, slide it through, put the washer on, the lock washer on, and the acorn nut, and then repeat that on the other side. Go ahead and just set it on the car. So as you can see, it comes with a few Allens and a few nuts. You're gonna use these larger Allen bolts with the flat washer and the lock washer. You can do 2 of these, and then on these longer ones, you're going to do a flat washer and a nut on the other side. So let's go ahead and put these in. I'll show you where they go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab the large Allen with the flat washer and the lock washer. Take our Allen. We're not gonna get this completely tight yet. We're just gonna get it so it's in place. We're gonna do the same on this side. The reason why you don't wanna go ahead and tighten everything right away is because everything is a little different on every car. That's why this doesn't ship as one piece. Even though things are blueprinted and supposed to match, it's not specifically going to. Next, we're gonna do the hard part of this, which is not very hard. So we have the longer Allen bolt with flat washer and nut. So we're gonna go ahead and put the washer on the top here so we don't mess up the powder coat. And this has a locking, that's why this doesn't get a washer, so it bites into the underside. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing over here. Washer, bolt in the hole, just drops through. So as you can see, the nut is on there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tight. This is a lot easier if you take the wheel off. You got that on there. And you're gonna go ahead and repeat the same for the other side. Now we're just going to go ahead and tighten all the bolts up in the place that it is. So we got our 2 rear bolts tight. A little secret, making sure things are tight. Let's throw a wrench on that. And the same with this. Go ahead, tighten her on down. You don't want to go too crazy with it. Then I'm going to go ahead and go on here and tighten this down. And last but not least, the driver's side. And there you go. So you always want to make sure that you clean off everything. Why? Just because it looks way better when it's cleaned.
Hey guys, so we finished the install on the Cusco power brace. Installation is very simple. It should take you about 15-20 minutes. There are some interesting things. This car actually was designed, and Patrick will show you here where the air filter box itself has a cutout for the brace. Originally, if you watch some of the earlier videos on the design, they actually had this brace or a similar brace on the car, and they figured they'd let the aftermarket take care of it. So that's why we're here. That's why Cusco's developed this product early on in the stages. Front piece is already pre-threaded. You're gonna get the bolt for that. The rear piece, the hole already there with a structured support to support this. You have to reach in underneath here and get your nut on the inside here. Not super hard, but not super easy either. That's the hardest part about this. Guys, stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna install the KW suspension on our Toyota Supra.